guys, welcome back to my new video. I am Samina. Today we paint the beautiful umbrella with Hello Kitty. This video is very interesting. Please full watch this video. Please subscribe my channel. Red color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Light blue color. Dark purple color. Light purple color. Red color. Pink color. Grey color. Red glitter. Wow, kids, our beautiful umbrella with Hello Kitty is ready. Please subscribe my channel. I hope you will like this video very much. See you next video. Bye bye.